we're gonna pull a prank on my friends. There's a Mentos up there, so you know what'll happen when you open it.
Who you pull a prank on, man?
Well, my friend.
Who?
I can't tell you that right now.
Okay. Hold on! Let's stop this recording real fast! Look, a retard in the car! There's a barnacle at that. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah. Let me hold that for you for a second.
Alright, cool. Now I'm thirsty. Oh no! I don't know. Tastes pretty good.
Wow! That sucks. I got a drip for this. Bye guys. Nice seeing you.